In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a fantastic platform for collaboration, and one of its useful features is live captions, which can significantly enhance communication during meetings or calls. Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature, and I'll also add some tips and context to make sure you understand each part of the process clearly. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the account you use for your meetings. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join a meeting or start your own. It's important to note that live captions are only available during an active meeting session, so make sure you're in one before trying to activate this feature. With your meeting underway, look towards the top of the screen. You should see a toolbar with several icons. Don't worry if you're not immediately familiar with what each icon does, it just takes a little getting used to. You're going to click on the three dots that represent More Actions. This icon is usually located near the center of the toolbar. Selecting More Actions will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Here, you'll want to find the Turn on Live Captions item. As you hover over this option, you should see that choosing it will enable live captions during your meeting. Go ahead and click it. Now that you've turned on live captions, you'll notice text appearing at the bottom of your screen, capturing the conversation. Isn't that neat? This feature can be particularly helpful for participants who may have difficulty hearing or are in a noisy environment. It also serves as a great tool for those who prefer to have a textual version of the discussion or for participants whose first language might not be the one spoken in the meeting. Keep in mind that live captions are generated automatically, which means they might not always be perfect. However, they do offer a generally accurate representation of what's being said. If at any point you wish to turn the captions off, you can simply repeat the steps. Click on More Actions, and then select Turn Off Live Captions. One quick tip before we finish: if you're the meeting organizer or a presenter, consider informing other participants that live captions are available. It's a considerate way to ensure everyone knows about the accessibility options, especially for those who may benefit from them the most. And there you go! You've successfully learned how to enable live captions in Microsoft Teams. This simple yet powerful feature can make your meetings more inclusive and productive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.